Wales, right?
So we're on our way to Wales and I spotted this place. It looks familiar to me, but I don't know. I've not been here before, but we're going to have a look around it and see what's in there.
She does think that this is the swingers place up near Birmingham. So
are we near Birmingham?
we're north of Birmingham, yeah. So
we're gonna
have a look. If it is, might have some awesome stuff in there.
It's got like a swimming pool. If it is the one, it's like jacuzzi. It's got like a sauna.
And apparently some sex dungeon. It's got loads of stuff in. So it'll be an interesting explore. So
we're gonna go have a look.
Yeah.
And then hope you enjoy it. And remember to subscribe and like. And you could even share to your friends, family, maybe.
Drop a comment as well.
Yeah, tell us what you think. Yeah, even if it's good, bad.
We don't care.
We're always happy to improve. And
constructive criticism, always.
Yeah.
All right. Cheers, guys.
Bye.
Bye. I've got the light and you got the torch, yeah?
Oh my god.
How do you turn this up?
Yeah. Press it again. There goes the light.
Oh, good.
God, it is fire damaged, guys.
Bloody hell. The old electrical board. Looks like the old boiler there. Okay, we'll be careful there, look.
Oh my god. And there.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Ouch. Oh, that something pinched me.
What is that in here?
Whole area.
Oh my god, that's fucking amazing. It's like coals here and there. Coals in there. Old school TV. Jacuzzi.
Everyone loves jacuzzi.
We do. What the hell is this?
Oh my god.
God, it's all rooms. I know. So we're pretty sure that this is the swingers place.
Club.
And you can tell by looking at all these rooms now.
These are like dungeons, like with mattresses on and that.
We're going to go and have a look further down now. Have a look.
It is dark in there. Oh shit. I wonder if there's soundproof.
I don't know.
I can see inside. No.
That's a fire exit down there. Be careful because it's dripping everywhere here. It is all damaged, but look. You can probably hear the drips. God, I dread to think what happened in this place.
Honestly, I don't think I want to know.
Okay. Oh, Jesus.
Oh my god. Can't see.
Wow.
There was actually a sauna in the other room, which we'll go back and have a look.
Yeah. It's probably not going to be as quiet as I hope. Is that tanning? I have no idea what that is. Looks like a
shower there.
I have no idea. Video in there. If anyone's got any idea what that is, please put it in the comments. I have
Yeah, it's
no
not
idea.
something that we have in our bathroom
No.
or our house. Can you shine the light on so because it might be slightly.
Yeah.
Very good.
Oh, that's a tanning booth. I know that.
Where's the wire in here? You going to?
It is a tanning booth. I will. I'm going to go out your way. I can't.
Yeah, good.
I know, but he'd be.
Oh God, wait. Just stand there.
Give you a glimpse of inside. I just love this. It's obviously the room for the sauna, the operating room, all the electricals and that. And the sauna itself.
Oh my God. Is it a sauna?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Chuckley Explorers 2020. Well done. Explore and vandalise. That's obviously the swimming pool. Changing rooms. It's just a bathroom and changing rooms and that. Oh, inside of a hairdryer, just in case you're interested in how it works.
How do you have a hairdryer?
Because what else is that going to be?
Cool.
You can these up. That is a hairdryer.
I don't think it is.
No, hand dryer.
Hand dryer.
Yeah. Did I say hairdryer?
That's a hand dryer. They're different things, right?
Did I say hairdryer? I did. I know for that one. Did I say hairdryer for the other
hair
one?
dryer for both. That's what I said.
Oh.
I didn't think it was.
No, I meant hand dryer. My bad. What's
That's a sauna.
What's the other one? A wet room. The other one must have been a wet room. This is a sauna.
Oh yeah, that is definitely a sauna.
Yeah, because there's all the coals and that was spilled.
Yes.
Oh,
What?
I just dread to think. See, this is the house. Oh my god, look.
Oh wow.
There's some fire damage there for that. Just be careful.
Go through this way.
I'm just looking down it. God, big old hole there.
God, you didn't get it.
No, no. So it looks like we're in the main house area now. So we're going to have a little look, but I don't think we're going to get upstairs. Not by looking at the state of that ceiling and all the fire damage that's been done. So, right, let's go and have a look in the house.
Carpets. And I'm running a new carpet for the landing. Stairs. It's a nice. What colour do you call that, babe?
Charcoal, black.
Effect. It'll be in fashion soon, don't worry, guys.
Thing is, if you was here at night, this would be creepy as hell. Do you want to go first?
No, you go first, babe.
There's nothing special here.
More boxes.
Of course. Oh, that's a tank. Probably had a fish tank. I would assume that. There's the fish tank there, Megan. If you look, that's the fish tank. There's another set of stairs there. Actually done by fire damage. Oh, look cool, look at that.
Wow, that is
old fruity.
That is retro.
Old fruit machine. That is awesome.
Yeah, that you're wasting money on and then.
Yeah, I know, but you know, some they're not cheap. You know.
I know they're not.
Nice fireplace. Literally, there's no decor because it's just been burnt. And yeah, I think this. I'm gonna go and go back round to near the front where them stairs were, and just have a look. See if I can go upstairs.
It's not a dead animal, is it?
No, that's insulation.
It's like a badger.
No, insulation. I'm gonna have a quick look upstairs. Well, if I can get upstairs, if it's safe enough. Okay, see you in a minute. Let's go. Oh, look upstairs. These are metal, so they're alright. Okay, this bit. Oh, there's more of it. Gee, look upstairs. Doing it fancy, falling through this roof. Multi-purpose PVA. Nice. See an old sink in that. You alright? You having fun?
Yeah. Oh god, that light is bright.
Another fire. So this is it from upstairs. Old bathroom. It looks creepy as well. There's obviously the stairs.
They're the other stairs?
Yeah.
Oh god.
Yeah, I know. Butterfly. Always find butterflies in these places. Room number 1. I'd rather we come in one at a time.
You what?
I'd rather we came in here one at a time. Cool. Let's go and have a look across.
What, you go first?
Oh, fucking word. Don't come in this room.
Go.
No, do not come in this room.
Oh my god, what is that in there?
Nothing too interesting in there. Looks like another bathroom. Yeah, I didn't go in there. I put
It's like a dark room.
it's just a bathroom in that thing. Again, this one. Just don't go in the room.
No.
As you'll see, all the ceiling and that. It's proper. I don't even think we should be in it. In this
Well, be careful because there's a hole there.
Yeah, I know
You're
that.
standing right. You have to
I
step
know, that's
on
why I'm
your
on the
beams.
beams. If you fall through, number one, your mum will never forgive me, and I'll never forgive myself if you're like that. Oh God.
Room number 7.
Room number
Oh look, you see the gates. There's the gates, guys. I don't know if you can see them.
You won't see them. You've got enough from here. Oh, look. See the ceiling. All the fire damage and then...
Oh my God.
Yeah, I know. I think get to the end of here. I think that will... Right. There's holes
Yeah, I do.
here, so I'm not going to go in. What I am going to do is try and just stick that in there. Sort of have a little look. All the ceiling has come through. Right. Right guys, that is all of it explored. It's interesting, they've got some cool stuff in it. It's just a shame about the fire damage.
Yeah.
Remember to like, comment, share it, subscribe as well. Subscribe. We're just trying to find these places, have a little look about.
It's fun.
Try and give you guys sort of an experience as well. So
without you being here having to walk on unsafe floor.
Fire damage.
And we know it's dangerous, we do, but we're careful.
Yeah, we like it. So again, give it a like, and see you soon.
Bye.
Cheers guys, bye.